Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any event planner or host looking to add that touch of elegance to their gatherings. We're talking about the best red carpet runner for parties with ropes and poles available on the market today, the Shappy Red Carpet Runner Rug. Now, what makes this red carpet runner stand out? First off, it comes in a generous size of 2.6 by 16.4 feet, making it ideal for various events from weddings to grand openings. Made from durable polyester with a flat woven design and a low pile height. This rug offers comfort underfoot while maintaining a sleek appearance. Included in the package is a roll of double-sided carpet tape, ensuring that your red carpet stays securely in place without any slips or slides. Perfect for those VIP entrances. The carpet tape is reinforced with fiberglass, providing a strong adhesive bond that holds well on both smooth and rough surfaces, ensuring reliability throughout your event. In conclusion, if you're looking to create a memorable entrance that exudes elegance and professionalism, the Shappy Red Carpet Runner Rug is your go-to choice. Don't forget to check the links in the description to find out more about this fantastic product. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay tuned and stay classy.